Hello everyone. In this video I am going to give you a brief demo of Tookan's new feature ACL, that is Access Control List. Earlier, while adding a manager, you could customize a few permissions like create or edit task, add agent, etc. But ACL gives you the flexibility to customize permissions for manager as per your requirement. For example, if you want to give certain permissions to a manager who can lead other managers, that can be done in ACL. Now let us see how does this work. So first of all, we go to settings. Here you can see this access control tab. When you click on it, this page opens up. So now I want to add a assistant manager role. So I give the name manager role, and these are the set of the permissions that I can give to that particular manager. So in tasks, I can give him the permission to create a task or update a task. In agents, I want to give him a permission to create a fleet and delete a fleet. In customers permission, I don't want to give him access to the customer, so I won't give him. In teams, I want to give him the permission to create a team. In settings, we have, like, if you can see, there are various sections in the setting, and if you can give him access to a particular section that you want to give. Like here are various sections like preferences, templates, schedules, allocation, etc. So like I want to give him the permission to read and update allocation methods and update the template. So these are the permissions that I have given to my assistant manager. Once I click on it, that role is created. Now how do I assign that role to a particular manager which I'm going to add? So for that, when I'm adding a manager, when I add a manager, I give any name like George, I enter phone number, I enter an email ID, some password, I choose him a team, and when I have to assign that set of permissions, I just select the role that I want to assign. Just I have created this assistant manager's role, so I will assign him that role, and when I click on create, that particular set of permissions are assigned to that manager which I'm going to add. So this is how we add a manager. Now there's another question: what will happen to the managers which I've already added? So for that, we have already done backfilling. So if any set of permissions are added to a particular manager, those permissions will come here as role 1, 2, 3 and so on. So the roles will already be there, and those will be already assigned to the managers that you have already created. Only change you have to make is when you add a manager, you have to create a role and assign to that. I hope this video was helpful.